Well, here's a really good looking 2013 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT Coupe. This car is really good looking as it sits here on our lot here in buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Blade silver on the exterior, ebony interior, and under the hood 436 horsepower LS3 engine, 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $2,145 2LT preferred equipment group. We always remind you, heads-up display, Bose CD, XM, MP3 stereo with navigation, steering wheel controls, and center console-mounted USB and auxiliary inputs. This car is also equipped with Bluetooth package as well. Has that Grand Sport package, Z06 sized wheels, tires, and brakes, wider fenders and quarter panels, the Z06 style rear spoiler and front splitter, the Z06 style front bumper, and performance axle ratio. Competition black wheels are in place, black headlights, black fender badges, and the ZR1 style rear spoiler as well. The vehicle has dual mode exhaust, red brake caliper override, HID headlights, dual power seats as well, side airbags, OnStar, dual zone electronic climate control, keyless entry and start. It has electric rear hatch pull down as well, and everything on this car is power. It has ABS, traction control, and active handling. It comes with a clean Carfax, which is so important, and of course it's nicely optioned. 42,825 miles on this car. It's in nice condition, and you can make a good deal on this car. Check out the pricing and other detailed photos right below this video. You'll find that information and a link to click right there. The interior of this car shows very good factory leather seats and steering wheel and very good door panels and center console. Additions to this car include simulated carbon fiber ZR1 style front splitter and side skirts, simulated carbon fiber rear mud flaps, and lower rear bumper trim. It has window tint, black Lloyd floor mats with the C6 logo, and script embroidery as well. Also has a mild to wild remote fob for the factory dual mode exhaust. This car features corrosion-free subframe. It's been fully serviced, all instruments, lights, everything on this car has been checked and is in good operating condition. Remember, our Corvettes here at buyavette.net are hand-picked. So give us a call today at 770-414-5552. We'll speak to one of our sales representatives. They will help you with any car on our showroom floor, in our lot, or cars that may be coming in very soon. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button. You'll see all those vehicles when they arrive here at our Atlanta location. Remember, we ship nationwide every week, less expensive than you can imagine, and buying online is something you can do with ease, more importantly with confidence. So give us a call. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.